Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Jasmy daily update. Let's see what it is going to do. And of course, we are going to see the short and the midterm of Jasmy. Midterm is more than a week, right? And short term is until 1 week. Let's go first to see the daily frame. On the daily frame, we're looking for the next few days. We can go to more than a week, but usually when you want to see the midterm, you're looking on the weekly frame. Right now on the daily frame, what do we have for Jasmy? We are still having the 20-day EMA as a major resistance level. You can see back here from this downtrend, we had the 50-day EMA first, and after we just found resistance level on the 20-day EMA. Now the parabolic SAR is looking upwards, but at the same time we are facing a very huge resistance level right now. We want to see eventually how many chances do we have to make this breakout, because right now Jasmy, if we go to the daily frame and we go a little bit earlier, we have formed a bullish RSI divergence. Look at that, from May to March towards the 12th May, long bullish RSI divergence coming in after 2 months with a lower low on the price and a higher low in the RSI. However, right now, what we have is that we are struggling so much on the 20-day EMA, but I truly believe that we can make it. Maybe we can go even higher. We are going to see. Let's go to the trend-based Fibonacci extension, and as we already know, the most important resistance level after we break the 20-day EMA is the 0.017358 for the short to mid term. Okay, so this is one of the most important resistance levels, and after we have the 0.229 and the 0.275. If we go to the 4-hour frame right here, we can see that Jasmy can go a little bit higher. However, right here we are finding much resistance level due to the fact that we have the 20-day EMA. That's why we had a little bit of a sell pressure. Look at that, exactly upon when we arrive on the 20-day EMA, exactly we had this resistance line. Okay, so you can see now what are the next price targets for Jasmy on the short term are the following ones. Okay, so what we have is that we found also on the 0.618 around this area a little bit of a resistance level. For me personally, the most important resistance level out of everybody is the 0.049. Okay, if we can manage to close above the 0.049, then we will go to the next price target, which will be the 0.073 to 0.072. You can see it is also the Fibonacci retracement line. Okay, so what we have to do in the 4-hour frame is to close above on the 4-hour frame, and we go towards the next target. This is a very nice 15% to 16% profit. Okay, so for the time being, what we need to do is to close above this line. Then we minimize much the risk. On the 0.014, we are having a great resistance level because it is also the 20-day EMA right here. You can check it out. Okay, it is the 20-day EMA plus the 0.618. That's why we are having this huge resistance level, but it is okay, it is looking good, and we can manage to break it, especially if BTC goes towards the 31.8k as well. In the meantime, we have a little bit of a high risk with the commodity channel index on the 4-hour frame. Okay, so we need to close above the 0.14. I would prefer to go with the price analysis right now rather than the technical analysis. Of course, we have a high risk and we probably should be correcting right now, but at this time, what I'm focusing on is the price targets. Are the price targets actually to go even higher and to close above? For example, if we have for the 0.049, then I will say if we can close above, then yes, the next target could be tons higher. Okay, however, if we cannot do that, then I'm not looking into the technical analysis, except that if we go on the 4-hour frame, for example, and we have a crazy oversold situation like just back here, then I might be looking at the at the technical analysis, and I might be buying, but right now it is not the case. All right, it's better to be safe with the price analysis, and that's what I'm trying to do. Anyway, Jasmy is looking good on the weekly frame as well. What we did is to have a green candlestick right here, very important. But we have one problem right now to get past above the 20-day MA, which has been our huge resistance level after the drop down and the 50-day MA. And if we can close above the 20-day MA on the daily frame, then we will be going towards the 50-day exponential moving average, which is around the 0.072 and the 0.079. We have some more price targets after, but we will explain later with the more updates that we are going to have for Jasmy. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. You won't regret it, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.